gusto mong maglingaw-lingaw, mga tawag magloling hayaw, mag-joyride na. Uban na ang imong barkada, silingan o pamilya, mag-joyride na. Sulod sa tanggob, mag-uban ta. From Silanga to Makilaw, sa Sanapog, sa Pulaw, Laagon ta. Labi na yun sa iyon, unang dapit na kano-kahoy, tala na. Maglibot tanggol, maglibot tanggol ta. Maglipay-lipay, magsakay-sakay tala. Makihiusap, makihigala, let's get together, make life feel better. Kung gusto ka og entertainment, for fun and for enjoyment, no problem ka. Sinanduloy among pambato, kung masayo, smart kaayo, bilid yun ka. Panahon sab sa Disyembre, sober yun ka, ligre, malingaw yun ka. Fireworks display, daghang ganahan, musilag sa kalangitan, mapawag yun ka. Christmas symbols, capital of the Philippines, dinira na ninyo makita friends, diba? Diri sa tanggol, maglibot tanggol ta.
Dito po kami sa Buluan Integrated Bus Terminal. Super 5 S527 Cagayan. Dito po sa Super 5 Bus Transport Incorporated. Unahan ko dito sa Rural Transit of Mindanao Incorporated. Located in Barangay Buluan, Cagayan de Oro City, formerly known as Cagayan de Misamis, Misamis Oriental. Ito po yung mga multi-cab transport papunta sa Aurora Terminal mula sa Westbound Terminal. Masakay ka tong mga taxi. Ito yung taxi pupunta sa Pantalan. Makita dito sa City Mall. Ito yung taxi papunta tungo sa Pantalan. Good evening guys. So dito po dumaan dito yan sa Port of Cagayan de Oro, located in Barangay Makabalan, Makabalan District, Cagayan de Oro City, Cagayan de Misamis, 2nd District, Misamis Oriental. Ito po yung sa dagang mapasayro papunta doon sa Tugo, papunta doon sa Manila via Bacolod, alas 2 sa gabi ng adlawon mga departure. Tara, let's go. So ito yung ng food stalls and dito sa entrance gate. So dito sa ticket outlets, first thing first, dito sa ticket outlets. Ticket is done. We are on our way going to go travel para sa shipping mula dito sa CTO pupunta doon sa Manila via Bacolod. Ang travel time mga 34 hours. Ang departure time is 2 AM. Tama ng alas 5 sa hapon mga Manila. Anyway, we are going to Manila via Tugo galing sa Cagayan. Alright. Now you can proceed the passenger waiting area sa terminal. Dito sa elevator, wala available. Thank you, speak and stand against child labor, mabuhay. Boarding gate number 1 is closed. Boarding gate 2 is closed. And dito sa passengers terminal, you can proceed the ticket. Now you can proceed to go and the ticket proceed is done. Yeah. Alright, after the scanning baggage, luggage is done. Alright, let's proceed to the boarding gate 3, which is the to go. And lastly, I proceed to the ticket. Alright guys, this is it. To go MV Masalaga. Dito po sa to go shipping. That's the biggest shipping I've ever seen, bound to Manila. Ito na po yung 2GO MV Masigla. Welcome to 2GO MV Masigla. Dito po sa escalator. Welcome. And here we are. Ito po. Sino ba ito sa second floor? Si Talisik po. Ano? Video ko. Last na po si ticket. Welcome to the to go inside the shipping in the MV Masigla mula dito sa Cagayan de Oro pupunta Manila via Bacolod. Dito po sa FB Masigla in Tugo, mula dito sa Cagayan de Oro City, pupunta doon sa Manila. Ito yung mga dito sa area na Voyage. Alright, see you guys later. Going to Manila. Adios. makita dito sa appear the lights of the coastal road of Cagayan de Oro City. Dito sa Misamis Oriental, like appearing the lights. Ito po yung Makahala Bay. Kitang gabing dagat. Goodbye, Cagayan de Oro City. Alright, good night everyone. See you on the next Makulot Visayas. See you on the way to the Manila. Yeah. Wala. Good morning everyone. Nandito sa Bohol Sea o Mindanao Sea. Makita dito sa Silinog Island and dito sa Mindanao Island between the Misamis Occidental sa Buanga de Dote. Kasi dito sa Ancoy Island. And dito po ay dito sa Siquijor Island. Dito po sa Negros Island. Dito po puntahan sa Cebu Island. Siquijor Island. It's so far along the Bohol Sea or Mindanao Sea. It's still so windy. Very windy. Dito sa Skylongi. Ito po yung sa Negros Oriental sa Siaton and Bayawan City. Dito sa Sulu Sea. Ito yung sa Sulu Sea. Makita sa Negros Oriental. Dito sa kasada, makita ang daanan mula Bayawan papuntang Siaton tapos Dumaguete. All the way pupunta sa Panay at Bacolod. Goodbye Mindanao Island. We are now dito sa Visayas area along the Sulu Sea. Bayawan, Nabaan, Palay City, going to Negros Oriental. Dito sa Negros Island, dito Visayas. Dito This is the Negros Island region. Ito po yung Tugo Sky Loki. Hey guys! Dito po sa Solosi, dito sa Negros Occidental. Approaching dito sa Panay Gulf. Makita dito sa Panay Island over there. Tapos dito sa Negros Island, makita doon sa Mount Canlaon. Alright, good afternoon guys. Malapit na dito sa Negros. Ito po yung makita sa Guimaras Island, Panay Island, Negros Island. Pupunta sa Bacolod. Makita dito sa GPS. Ito, Negros, Guimaras. Ito po yung makita dito sa Mount Canlaon. Another dito sa Northern Negros National Park in Negros Island. Hello Panay Gulf. Dito po pumunta sa ilang isla dito sa Visayas Island, Visayas. Dito sa Guimaras Island in front of the Panay Island. Ito na po yung mga duwa kabog isla, Unisan Island and Malingit Island. And dito sa Guimaras Island, right there. Pagkatapos dito sa Juan ay isla, Giwanon Island in front of Guimaras. Tapos ito yung dito sa Inampulugan Island dito sa Guimaras Island. Dito po sa Inampulugan Island. Next is Nalunga Island. Tapos Nadulao Island. In front of the Guimaras Island. Makita dito sa Windmill Wind Farm of Guimaras. Okay. We are now dito sa We are now at Guimaras Strait in the sea. Dito po sa Pulupandan Port, Municipality of Pulupandan, Negros. Ito yung Bago City. Tapos, is the capital of the province of Negros Occidental. Welcome to the city of Bacolod. We are nearby dito sa Bacolod City in the Negros Occidental. Makita dito sa Northern Negros National Park. Tapos, Mount Canlaon. Last eruption dito sa June 3 to sa 2024. Pagkatapos, ito yung isla ng Guimaras. Dito yan sa Guimaras Island in front of Panay Island. Makita dito sa wind farm of Guimaras. I can see the wind farm. Alright, let's get a picture before we arrive dito sa Bacolod. Welcome to the City of Smiles in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental in Negros Island region. Dito sa Visayas area in the Philippines. This is the Simpliciano A. Palanca Seaport Terminal or Bacolod Seaport Terminal. Like a Bacolod Real Estate Development Corporation, like a BREDCO, or simply referred to as BREDCO Port. Dito sa Bacolod City Reclamation Area located in Barangay Poblacion 10, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Ito yung mga Montenegro shipping bound to Dumangas, Iloilo, going to Panay Island. Tapos dito po Guimaras Island along dito sa Guimaras Strait. I can see the Northern Negros National Park. Tapos Mount Canlaon. Napababa ang pasahero dito sa Bacolod. To be continued, we are going to Manila.
Hello! Hello! Nah. Ayan na! Uy!
Unlocking maneuver. 8 p.m. departure from Bacolod going to Manila. Only 21 hours left mula Cagayan de Oro City papunta doon sa Bacolod City. Alas 2 sa gabi ang araw dito sa John 22. Taman alas 5 sa hapon dito sa Bacolod. We are leaving the City of Smiles in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Bye for now in Visayas, in the Negros Island. We are continue going to Manila. That's a lot of people, passengers. Goodbye Visayas in Negros Island region. Dito sa Bacolod City. Dito sa Bacolod Real Estate Development Corporation, or simply referred to as Betco Port. This is the Bacolod City Reclamation Area located in Barangay Poblacion, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Negros Island region in Visayas. Goodbye Visayas and Negros. See you around Manila. More than 21 hours to arrive at 5 p.m. Good night and see you around to Manila. 3-star ferry mula Dumangas papuntang Bacolod. 24 hours sa katong schedule gikan sa Bacolod padulong Dumangas. Around the Bacolod City Reclamation Area. Dito po sa appear the lights of the Negros Occidental in the Negros Island. Ito po Bacolod City. This is a Betco Port. Makita dito sa appear the lights of Guimaras Island. Tapos hindi kita itong ilo panay. It's very dark. Alright everybody, passengers, please proceed to the back to the voyage during the curfew. Thank you. Alright, good night everyone. See you around Manila. Capuador Island. Tapos dito po Alat Island. We are across the Romblon province dito sa Romblon Island. Tablas Island. Yan na dito sa Romblon Island. Dito po sa Romblon, across the Romblon, makita dito sa Korea Island of Romblon. I can see the Tablas Island and Romblon Island. Ito po yung Korea Island. welcome to the Tablas Island. Between the Visayas and Luzon. It's so far. Pantonsilon Island, tapos Banton Island. Dito sa Marinduque Island. Cocoria Island, Tablas Island in Romblon. Makita dito sa Romblon Island. And we are across the Tablas Strait. This is the Mindanao Island. Over there. Ito po yung Maestrado de Campo Island. Lungsod ng Concepcion, Romblon. In front of Mindanao Island. It is so far in Western Visayas. Ito po yung Baltasar Island, Melchor Island, and Gaspar Island in the Marinduque province. In front of dito sa Marinduque Island, safe spotted of Tugo mula Manila pupunta sa Visayas. Nearby the Luzon Island, right there. Ito po yung Mindanao Island dito sa Oriental Mindanao. I can see the Maestrado de Campo Island in Concepcion, Romblon, around the Tablas Strait.
Bukas, wag mo lang pasukin dyan.
Ito na po yung Verde Island. Tapos Mindanao Island in the Oriental Mindanao. Now this is welcome to Luzon Island. Dito sa municipality of Lobo, Batangas, tapos Malabrigo Lighthouse is so far. Ini Maui-Caban Island, Verde Island in front of Mindanao Island, tapos Batangas province in Luzon Island. Time check at 10 o'clock dito sa Voyage to Go. Ito po ang Ilihan Power Plant in Batangas in Luzon Island. I can see the Divine Mercy. Spot of Ocean Jet mula Calapan papuntang Batangas. I can see the Mount Gulugot Baboy in Mabini, Batangas. Tapos ito yung Batangas Bay around the Verde Island Passage in the sea. Ilihan Power Plant, tapos Glass Walk and Divine Mercy, Batangas. Mount Banoy Grotto in Batangas, Glasswork and Divine Mercy, tapos Ilihan Power Plant around top Verde Island Passage along the Western Nautical Highway or Strong Republic Nautical Highway. Makita dito sa Batangas Bay. I can see the pier Batangas in Batangas City. Makita dito sa Mount Gulugot Baboy in Mabini, Batangas, and Maricaban Island. Shipping spotted mula Batangas papuntang Abra de Ilog. Ang ship spotted patulong sa Punta Galiwa. Now we can see the Mindoro Island. Now this is the Puerto Galiwa. I can see the windmill of Puerto Galiwa. Verde Island, around the Verde Island Passage on the sea. Pac-Man times Sonic the Hedgehog. Is Pac-Man like a to-go travel in the Sonic the Hedgehog, ito po sa classic Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Amy, Dr. Eggman, and Meta Sonic. To go Sonic the Hedgehog with collecting the wings, Super Sonic with Chaos Emerald, 7 Chaos Emerald, and the Shadow the Hedgehog with his Chaos Control, the ultimate life form. Hola motorista! Ito yan, it's a Sonic the Hedgehog. It's a Sonic the Hedgehog with a fantasy, collecting the wings.
Sonic the Hedgehog, hero, speed demon.
It says, gotta go fast. And the Super Sonic the Hedgehog with 7 Chaos Emeralds.
Oh, and you know the Chaos
It
Emeralds.
says, Super Sonic style. Lastly, the Shadow the Hedgehog. Shadow the Hedgehog. It's called the ultimate life form. Like a Shadow the Hedgehog, it says
Chaos Control! This could work.
Alright. It's same as Sonic and Shadow generations. This is the fantasy. Okay. On June 23rd, 1991 is the first Sonic the Hedgehog Classic #1. Genesis, Sega, Team Sega, and Team Sonic. This is 23rd birthday na Sonic. Okay. Muli kani Classic Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Amy, Dr. Eggman, and Meta Sonic. Pac-Man starting the hedgehog. Alright. Thank you.
Everything is true. Everything you question. Everything you question. Everything you think. Every pill you swallow. Every pill you swallow. Every drop you drink.
Ito na po yung Batangas Province in Luzon Island. Dito sa Kalatangan Municipality, Lian Municipality, and Nasugbo Municipality around the Nasugbo Bay. Makita dito sa Mount Palaypalay or Mount Pico de Lobo. Now this is the West Philippine Sea or South China Sea. You can see the Mindoro Island. It's so far. Dito po sa Ambil Island or Lubang Island, it's so far. We are heading towards Luzon and Manila. Ito po yung Peninsula de Punta Fuego, Mount Palaypalay or Mount Pico de Lobo, around the Nasugbo Bay, dito sa Batangas Province in Luzon Islands, dito sa municipality of Nasugbo. We can see dito sa Fortune Island. Tapos ito yung Lobong Island. Tapos Mindoro Island. Papunta sa Bataan Province in Luzon Island. Carabao Island right there, Mount Palaypalay National Park, tapos Mount Pico de Lobo. You're cruising padulong sa Manila, around the Manila Bay. This is so far towards Manila, around the Manila Bay, going to Manila. Ito po yung Mount Samat, Bataan Province, dito sa isla ng Corregidor Island, tapos Caballo Island, around the Manila Bay. It's so far towards Manila. You can see dito sa Cavite Province right here, and dito sa Mount Palaypalay in between Cavite and Batangas in Luzon Island, around the Manila Bay towards Metro Manila. Welcome to Metro Manila. This is the Tondo district of Manila City, located in Metropolitan Manila. Dito sa Pier 4 in North Harbor. Dito sa kita sa Skyline Building around the Manila Bay. Ito yung sa To Go to Gio. Dito sa atin, traffic dito sa heavy traffic, heavy rainfall. Alright, welcome to Manila, guys. Woo! Oh my god, I can't believe this. Yeah, let's go. Dito po pababa dito sa To Go Travel, leaving the MV Masingla. So we arrived dito sa Pier 4. Cargo trucks. Dito po papapa sa To Go. Welcome to Manila. First time dito sa Luzon Island. This is Manila. This is the capital in the Luzon Island in the Philippines. Let's go. This is the MV St. Francis Xavier To Go. Tapos MV Masigla from Cagayan to Manila via Bacolod. Thank you for boarding us To Go. MV St. Francis Xavier in To Go. Dito sa arrivals in Manila North Terminal, Manila North Port Terminal. Passengers drop off, passengers terminal. Departures. This is the UB Express Pawasa bus. You can ride UB Express mula dito sa Manila North Port, pupunta doon sa Manila Robinson, PITX Paranaque Integrated Terminal Exchange, or MOA Monumento, Caloocan. Alright, this is the North Port Passengers Terminal in Manila, Tondo District in Manila. UBE Express and North Port Passengers Terminal. Exit.
Oh, marigin ako ba?
You can ride a taxi. Taxi.
Boss, tricycle boss.
This North Harbor Link is ongoing construction para sa Skyway. Para sa expressway.
Tricycle.
Dito po sa highway is N10. Here we are dito sa District of Santa Cruz, Metro Manila. Ito po yung LRT number 1 is Line Rail Transit dito sa Santa Cruz Station going to Monumento, Balintawak, and Roosevelt. Pagkatapos going to Baclaran, PITX at Sukat. Alright, tara, let's go! Single journey ticket papunta sa Doroteo kasi mga 20 pesos. You are here dito sa Carriedo punta sa Doroteo kasi 25 stations tapos dito sa mapa. the LRT number 1, like a line rail transit. This rail going to Sucat, and this road going to Monumento and Fernando Poe. Wow! Bako naman na train. Now this is station of Carriedo, located in district of Santa Cruz, Manila City. Here comes the train. Okay, okay.
Ang susunod na istasyon ay Teodoro Jose Station.
Next station.
Jose Station.
Wow, this fastest train I haven't seen. Transfer going to Teodoro Jose, like a LRT too. Approaching Teodoro Jose Station. Alright, we are arrived at Teodoro Jose Station. By the way, nearby the LRT too, going to Antipolo. Now the new route dito sa Vector Station LRT too. Ito po yung exit going to LRT 1. Proceed 20 pesos. Now the next transfer to LRT2 going to Recto. And right turn papunta sa Baclaran or PITX. You can walk going to Recto less than 5 minutes. Makita ka tong mga bus ng Genesis bus. We are going to Bangbang, not LRT. Going to go back to the Doroteo Jose. Single journey pass. We are going to Bangbang.
Susunod na istasyon ay Bambang Station. Sa Bambang Station,
We arrived dito sa Bangbang Station. Exiting. Dito sa Bangbang Street. Right there. Okay. We are going to Red Doors Hotel. There's the Red Doors Hotel. Hola motorista, ito po ang Red Doors Hotel in Bangbang, near Bangbang Street dito sa Santa Cruz District, Manila City. We are staying at night dito sa hotel. We are tomorrow going to San Juan City, Manila during our Wata Wata Festival. And because araw ng Maynila. Alright, stay safe and good night everyone. Adios motorista.